Did you know that a lack of vitamin D can lead to some pretty strange symptoms? From feeling tired all the time to experiencing unexpected aches and pains, a vitamin D deficiency can manifest in ways you might not expect. Stay tuned to find out if you're experiencing any of these telltale signs. In this video, we'll delve into 8 common yet often overlooked signs that your body might be lacking this essential vitamin. We'll explore the science behind these symptoms and discuss why vitamin D is so crucial for your overall health and well-being. This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice. If you're concerned about your vitamin D levels, please consult with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family so they can also learn about the surprising signs of vitamin D deficiency. Let's talk about fatigue. We've all felt it, that overwhelming sense of tiredness that seems to linger no matter how much sleep you get. While there are many potential causes for fatigue, one often overlooked culprit is vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D plays a vital role in regulating your energy levels. It helps your body absorb calcium, which is crucial for muscle function and nerve transmission. When your vitamin D levels are low, your muscles may not contract as efficiently, leading to feelings of weakness and fatigue. Think of it like this. Your muscles are like cars, and vitamin D is like the gasoline. Without enough fuel, your car simply won't run smoothly or efficiently. Similarly, without sufficient vitamin D, your muscles may struggle to perform at their best, leaving you feeling drained and depleted. Studies have shown a strong correlation between vitamin D deficiency and fatigue. In fact, some research suggests that supplementing with vitamin D can significantly improve energy levels in people who are deficient. So if you're constantly feeling tired and sluggish, even after a good night's sleep, it's worth considering whether a lack of vitamin D might be contributing to your exhaustion. Next, we'll explore another surprising sign of vitamin D deficiency: bone and back pain. Are you experiencing persistent bone or back pain? A vitamin D deficiency could be a contributing factor. What does vitamin D have to do with my bones? The connection is stronger than you might think. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in calcium absorption. Without enough vitamin D, your body can't effectively absorb calcium, leading to weakened bones. Back pain can be a red flag for vitamin D deficiency. Addressing a deficiency could alleviate your discomfort and improve bone health. Did you know that nutritional deficiencies can play a role in depression? Research links low vitamin D levels to an increased risk of depression. Vitamin D influences mood by regulating neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. These neurotransmitters are essential for mood, sleep, and well-being. Think of vitamin D as a mood booster, balancing your brain's happy chemicals. Low vitamin D can disrupt this balance, contributing to sadness and low energy. Studies show people with depression often have lower vitamin D levels. Supplementing with vitamin D may improve mood and reduce depressive symptoms. The unexpected way. Vitamin D affects your cuts and scrapes. We all know that vitamin D is important for strong bones, but did you know it also plays a crucial role in wound healing? That's right. This versatile vitamin is involved in multiple processes that help your body repair itself. When you get a cut or scrape, your body springs into action to close the wound and prevent infection. Vitamin D is essential for this healing process, influencing everything from inflammation control to the formation of new skin cells. Think of vitamin D as a foreman on a construction site. It helps direct the different teams of cells involved in wound healing, ensuring that everything runs smoothly and efficiently. Without enough vitamin D, the healing process can be delayed, increasing the risk of infections and complications. Studies have shown that people with vitamin D deficiency tend to experience slower wound healing, especially after surgery or injuries. This is because vitamin D helps stimulate the production of compounds that are essential for tissue repair and regeneration. So, if you're noticing that your cuts and scrapes seem to be taking longer to heal than usual, it's worth considering whether a lack of vitamin D might be a contributing factor. Believe it or not, vitamin D deficiency can even affect your hair. Next, we'll discuss the link between vitamin D and hair loss. Stay tuned. Can vitamin D deficiency affect your hairline? Hair loss is a common concern. Did you know that nutritional deficiencies can also contribute to thinning hair? A lack of certain vitamins, including vitamin D, can impact your hair's health. Vitamin D is essential for hair follicle growth and cycling. Low vitamin D levels can disrupt this balance, leading to hair loss or thinning. Some studies suggest that supplementing with vitamin D may help improve hair growth. Consult with a healthcare professional if you're experiencing significant hair loss. We often associate muscle pain with strenuous exercise or injuries, but did you know that a simple vitamin deficiency could also be a culprit? That's right. A lack of vitamin D can lead to a variety of musculoskeletal symptoms, including muscle aches, pains, and weakness. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in muscle function and health. It helps regulate muscle contractions, supports muscle growth and repair, and ensures proper nerve function, which is essential for muscle control. When your vitamin D levels are low, your muscles may not receive the nutrients and support they need to function optimally. This can lead to a variety of uncomfortable symptoms, including muscle aches and pains. A lack of vitamin D can cause muscle soreness and tenderness, even without strenuous activity. Muscle weakness. Vitamin D deficiency can weaken muscles, making it harder to perform everyday tasks. Fatigue. Muscle fatigue and exhaustion are common symptoms of vitamin D deficiency. If you're experiencing unexplained muscle aches, pains, or weakness, it's worth considering whether a lack of vitamin D might be a contributing factor. Getting your vitamin D levels checked and addressing any deficiencies through diet or supplementation could help alleviate your discomfort and improve your muscle function. Stay tuned. Next, we will discuss how vitamin D deficiency can impact your immune system and make you more susceptible to getting sick. We all know that a strong immune system is essential for fighting off infections and staying healthy. But did you know that vitamin D plays a crucial role in supporting your immune function? That's right. This sunshine vitamin is a key player in keeping your body's defenses strong. Vitamin D acts like a powerful conductor, orchestrating various aspects of your immune response. It helps activate immune cells, such as T cells and macrophages, which are responsible for identifying and destroying harmful pathogens like bacteria and viruses. Think of vitamin D as a vigilant security guard, patrolling your body and sounding the alarm when it detects any potential threats. Without enough vitamin D, your immune system may not be as effective at recognizing and neutralizing these invaders, making you more susceptible to infections. Studies have shown that people with vitamin D deficiency are more likely to experience frequent colds, the flu, and other respiratory infections. In fact, some research suggests that supplementing with vitamin D may help reduce the risk and severity of respiratory infections, particularly in individuals who are deficient. So, if you're constantly battling sniffles, coughs, or seem to catch every bug that's going around, it's worth considering whether a lack of vitamin D might be compromising your immune system's ability to protect you. Finally, we'll discuss the impact of vitamin D deficiency on bone loss. We've discussed how vitamin D is crucial for bone health, but let's delve deeper into the consequences of long-term vitamin D deficiency on your bones. When your body doesn't have enough vitamin D to absorb calcium effectively, it can lead to a condition called bone loss or osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is a silent disease that weakens bones, making them more fragile and susceptible to fractures. You might not even realize you have bone loss until you experience a fracture, often from a minor fall or even a sneeze. Imagine your bones as a bank account. When you're young, your body deposits more calcium into your bones than it withdraws, building strong, dense bones. However, as you age, this balance shifts, and your body starts withdrawing more calcium than it deposits. Vitamin D deficiency accelerates this process, like making excessive withdrawals from your bone bank account. Without enough vitamin D, your body can't absorb enough calcium to keep up with the withdrawals, leading to a decline in bone density and an increased risk of fractures. This is why it's crucial to maintain adequate vitamin D levels throughout your life, especially as you age. Getting enough vitamin D, whether through sunlight exposure, diet, or supplementation, can help slow down bone loss, reduce your risk of fractures, and keep your bones strong and healthy for years to come. So there you have it, 8 strange signs that your body might be lacking vitamin D. From fatigue and muscle aches to weakened immunity and bone loss, the consequences of vitamin D deficiency can be far-reaching. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice. If you're concerned about your vitamin D levels or are experiencing any of the symptoms discussed, please consult with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family so they can also learn about the surprising signs of vitamin D deficiency. Taking charge of your health includes staying informed and proactive.